steering priority valve is an important component in the steering system of the 5-ton loader, which is installed on the left side of the rear frame. The function of the steering priority valve is to give priority to the stable supply of the hydraulic oil to the steering system, regardless of the load and the pressure of the system and the rotation speed of the steering wheel. The priority valve can ensure that sufficient hydraulic oil is provided to the steering system, and the excess hydraulic oil is provided to the hydraulic working system, so as to ensure the smooth, reliable, and safe steering of the loader. In order to improve work efficiency and save energy, the hydraulic system of SINOMACH 5-ton loader adopted a double pump conference technology. Let's have a look at the schematic diagram of the steering system. After the engine is started, the working pump and the steering pump supplying hydraulic oil to the working system and the steering system at the same time. When the working attachment of the loader is stationary and there is no steering, the hydraulic oil output by the steering pump is directly returned to the hydraulic oil tank through the priority valve. When the loader works without steering, the hydraulic oil output by the steering pump and the working pump will be supplied to the working attachment at the same time, which improves the working efficiency of the loader. When the loader works and turns, the steering pump will give priority to supplying hydraulic oil to the steering system to ensure driving safety. This is the steering signal oil pipe. When the steering wheel is turned, the hydraulic oil enters the priority valve through the steering gear to push the valve core to move, so as to change the oil circuit in the priority valve, and the hydraulic oil is supplied to the steering cylinder through the steering gear. The steering priority valve is mainly composed of safety valve assembly, control spring, valve core, valve body, and the plug. The set pressure value of the safety valve is 16 MPa, which is the maximum pressure of the steering system. Please do not adjust its pressure value during the use of the loader. Otherwise, the normal operation of the steering system will be affected. Sharing of maintenance experience. When you feel the steering resistance is large, especially with load and the obvious steering resistance, please check whether the valve core of priority valve is stock.